Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about the best foods for the brain. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or simply interested in improving your cognitive function, these foods can help boost your brain power and keep you focused and alert. But before we dive into the foods themselves, let's take a look at how the brain functions and what nutrients it needs to perform at its best. The brain is one of the most important organs in the body, responsible for everything from movement and sensation to memory and emotion. To keep it working properly, the brain needs a variety of nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients help protect brain cells from damage, improve communication between neurons, and support the formation of new neural connections. Now, let's take a look at some of the best foods for the brain. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, which help protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation. In one study, researchers found that consuming blueberries improved cognitive function in older adults, suggesting that they may have neuroprotective effects. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon and tuna are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain function. These fatty acids help build cell membranes in the brain and reduce inflammation, which can help prevent age-related cognitive decline. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are a great source of vitamin E, which has been linked to improved cognitive function in older adults. They also contain healthy fats and fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar and prevent inflammation. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, which are antioxidants that have been shown to improve blood flow to the brain and enhance cognitive function. However, it's important to choose high-quality dark chocolate with a high cocoa content to get the full benefits. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with vitamins and minerals that are essential for brain health. They contain high levels of folate, which has been linked to improved cognitive function, and are also a good source of iron, which helps transport oxygen to the brain. So there you have it, 5 of the best foods for the brain. Of course, this is just a small sample, and there are many other foods that can help boost brain function. So be sure to include a variety of healthy foods in your diet to keep your brain functioning at its best. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.